Indianapolis, also known as Indy, is the capital city of Indiana. This Midwestern metropolis is known for its kind people, love of sports, and affordability. Join the Sobat family as we explore Indy. Indianapolis International Airport is a medium-sized airport that is clean, well-organized, and easy to navigate. Indy is a family city, and you get that vibe the second you land. We headed to our pickup location, located downstairs, to begin our Indy adventure. Straight off the plane and into the rain, we began at the Bottle Works District. A former bottling area, as the name suggests, it now has been transformed into an entertainment district with restaurants, bars, and more. We headed into Penn's Mechanical Company, a casual bar and social destination featuring classic pinball machines, duck pin bowling, and many old-school games, including giant beer pongs using trash cans, sit-down soccer, and more. Plus plenty of craft beers and creative cocktails for the adults. After some serious gaming, we worked up a serious appetite, and the Garage Food Hall had what we needed. People come to the garage to get fed by the best the region has to offer. Entrepreneurs who push boundaries, shape tastes, and put Indianapolis on the culinary map. It's a marketplace for locals, transplants, visitors, and everyone in between searching for an authentic taste of Indy. We had to check out the Brazilian street food, pastels, bongee cage, and of course guaraná. Spicy noodles with duck always hits the spot, and Ruby and I had to sample the Cuban coffee to wash it all down. Conner Prairie is a living museum located in Fishers, Indiana, just northeast of Indianapolis. It's one of the most well-known living history sites in the United States, where historical reenactments and immersive experiences help visitors understand American life in the 19th century. The museum hosts guides at each destination point that teach you and inform you of the history of the region. From the first peoples to the European settlers, you get your dose of Indiana history. We got a chance to test our skills throwing axes, and it didn't disappoint.
Do you think she's gonna hit it?
I think she's gonna do this one. Look.
Oh, you got it! Oh, she got it!
Woo, first one.
At Animal Encounters, you get a chance to learn about the farm life and all the smells and excitement that come along with it. From sheep used for their wool and as a food source to prize goats coveted for their milk, it is a great time for the kids. Prairie Town takes you back to life in the 1800s and how the people of the day lived and navigated their lives. From schoolhouse learning to days at the general store, it is an entertaining experience.
It is hard to smell better than chocolate, isn't it?
Isn't
Like
that
smell.
cool? Oh, of course. Oh,
That comes all the way from Venezuela.
The actors were incredible and informative, blending entertainment and education flawlessly. A visit to a giant interactive treehouse seemed the best way to end our adventure at Conner Prairie. We had only scratched the surface of this museum, but we had something else on our minds. Indy Coffee Roasters, located in Carmel, Indiana, was a great place to grab some coffee and treats and warm up from our adventure. The coffee is delicious and the staff was great.
We're at the Indy 500 right now.
Let me see your shirt. Yeah.
At the heart of Indiana, where speed becomes legend, stands a place where history races on. Welcome to the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Museum. The temple of velocity, innovation, and immortality. Walk among the champions, touch the legacy, see the cars that define limits, and the dreamers who drove them into history. This isn't just a museum, it's a time machine, a proving ground, a tribute to those bold enough to chase greatness at 220 miles per hour.
Three, two, one, go. At the museum today. This place is crazy. I'm gonna assume this is probably the most famous place in Indianapolis by far. Absolutely incredible.
I think it was actually really awesome. It kind of looks new, but they revamped it, so I really like it. And also got the school flag that I think I'm gonna get signed next time we go to the Indy 500.
Broad Ripple has a free-spirited vibe, with laid-back cafes, global eateries, lively brew pubs, and happening clubs. This is a hipster haven in Indy. We hit up Petit Cho for some delicious French food that truly hit the spot. With tightly packed tables and classic bistro fare, Petit Cho Bistro and Champagne Bar is Patachou's reinvention of the iconic French neighborhood restaurant. Founded in 2007, Petit Cho has received numerous accolades from multiple appearances on Indianapolis' yearly Best Restaurant list, plus Travel and Leisure's list of best restaurants in the United States.
I think the food was really good. I like the fries a lot.
It was delicious, the best food ever.
Imagine a place where dinosaurs roam, astronauts blast off, and dreams are bigger than the sky itself. Welcome to the Indianapolis Children's Museum, where every corner sparks adventure and every moment brings a new discovery. This is an interactive museum and the largest children's museum in the world. The pop art by far was my favorite, making me nostalgic for the past toys I once had. The sheer size of this place can be overwhelming, but hang in there. The kids will love it.
We filled this up, and now we're gonna make the boat go down the river.
Children can learn what it takes to be an astronaut.
We're in the space station right now.
And just a room over, dig through the relics of ancient Egypt and China. While exploring a sensory, overwhelming fun house, with video games and merry-go-rounds. This is by far the biggest children's museum I have ever seen. With our appetites in full effect, we headed back to Carmel to dine at Juniper on Main. Specializing in the traditional dishes of South Carolina and Georgia, the kitchen leans hard on stocks, creams, and big flavor. This is some serious Southern food, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. Handel's Ice Cream is an Indy tradition serving the Midwest's best ice cream since 1945. With tons of flavors, you can't go wrong. You will not be disappointed. The weather turned in the right direction for us, so we decided to hit Birdie's in Westfield for a few rounds of miniature golf. Birdie's also has great food, drink, and plenty of TVs to watch the big game. Birdie's is your quintessential miniature golf location. Family friendly, affordable, and tons of fun. Carmel seems to have a park or a playground on every corner. This by far was the wildest park yet. A 3-story slide made of steel is just what the kids needed on this crisp and cool day. Downtown Carmel, where small town charm meets big city energy. Just north of Indianapolis, Carmel's buzzing with creativity, innovation, and a serious love for the good life. Think award-winning restaurants, miles of scenic trails, and one of the coolest downtowns around. Joe's Butcher Shop may be one of the finest butcher shops I have ever seen. Loaded with everything you could ever need, it is a chef's paradise. Ova Conti Coffee has delicious pastries and fantastic coffee. Located in a former bank, the aesthetics are perfect. This is a great place to unwind. Our final meal of the trip was at 1933 Lounge, a great Gatsby-themed restaurant serving classic American fare. Oysters Rockefeller, wedge salad, salted bread with butter candle, lobster bisque, and of course a tomahawk ribeye. We also had some of the best chocolate and coconut cream pie we have ever had. Indianapolis was an amazing trip. Warm, kind people, amazing food, and insanely affordable. It's definitely worth visiting.